In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your Epson WorkForce Pro WF-3823 all-in-one printer. So first step is to switch on the printer and go to the display panel. Click on the ink icon, that's a drop icon, and click on the replace ink. Click on the next. Now open the ink chamber, so there is a place to lift it up from this side. Ink chamber is here, so go to the ink chamber. Press the lock and take the ink out of that. It's very easy to remove the ink cartridges. Once you press it and lift it, it comes out. Now take your new ink cartridge. Match the color and the alphabets. Simply place it here like this and press it down. Press it down from the front and it will lock itself. So it's very easy. You just have to place it and push it down. That's the last. Now press it down, automatically it will close the ink chamber. And now go to the main screen. So it's going to take around 4 minutes for the ink system to start, and then we are ready to use our printer. So this way we can replace the ink cartridges in this printer. Thanks for watching.